welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Stitch Fix box to unbox for you all. The Stitch Fix box that I requested and the items that I requested, full disclosure, were for an upcoming Disney trip. I should be there. I don't know if I'll be sharing this before the trip or after, but I asked for some items specifically for that trip. But when I got my preview, my sizes were still off and I thought I updated them, so I had to say I don't want certain things because of sizing. Could you give them to me in a smaller size? Because as I mentioned in my Nordstrom video, I lost about 20 pounds. So I was being styled with shorts that were in like a size 4. I'm either a 0 or 2 right now, depending upon the cut. So I asked to size down. There are 3 outfits in this try-on, and I'm outside trying to get this done, and it's a bit overcast today, not raining, but you may hear the wind in the background. It's a little breezy out, so I apologize for that, and maybe dogs barking, kids talking, but I'm trying to get this done while my husband is still working and my work day is technically over. But that said, I don't even want to really explain what Stitch Fix is, except to say it's a subscription style service. You fill out a profile, and when you fill that profile out, you get hooked up with a stylist. Your first fix, the style fee should be, I haven't paid it because I have the style pass, which is $49 for the year, but the first styling I think is $20. But if you use my link in the comments, you'll get that fee waived for your first fix. And you'll also get $50 to shop your first fix. I will not get that because I've maxed out my credits for the year. However, let's get into this fix. I'm already wearing one of the outfits, so we're gonna come and discuss. But before we even do that, I wanna read my stylist note, because get an envelope. In the envelope, there are 2 papers. One says, "Oh, hello." The other says, "Thanks for letting us style you." And that one has all of your pricing. The one previous has your stylist note and the style cards with all of the items that were in the fix and how to style them. So let's read. And I got Jaryn again. She says, "Hi Janine, happy 70th fix day." My gosh, it's 70. She says, "Can you believe you're at another milestone fix? That's 70 times the style, and your amazing closet certainly shows it. I have to say, I'm jealous of your upcoming trip to Disney. I have a feeling your suitcase will be just as magical as the park thanks to today's items. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to track down the LILLY shorts in a smaller size. I'm so sorry. But what do you think about wearing the lightweight Pima cotton dress one day? The colorful print is definitely you. I'm excited for you to try the VUORI skirt too. The brand is known for its super soft, high quality performance fabrications, so you'll have to let me know if you like more from them in the future. I love their joggers. Last thing, be sure to let me know if you want to adjust sizing on your style profile. XO, Jaryn." So you caught me, I'm wearing the dress, so we're gonna get to that in a moment. But as for that other paper, like I said, it is fix 70. I'm not gonna go into all of the pricing just yet, but this is my receipt. And you'll see the items in style cards as I do this try on with the information. And if you miss any of that information, feel free to go to the comments. I'll leave everything there. So without further ado, let's get to the try-on. Okay, I'm back. And as I said, I have the first item that I'm wearing. So here we go. This is the dress. And I know the card went across your screen already, but this is by LILLY Pulitzer. This is the Kristen Flounce dress. It's in the color blue. It's a size small, and it is the most expensive item in this fix, coming in at $108. And of course Elsa's going by me, so ignore that, sorry. But here is the dress, and now you can see the length of it. It's really cute. It does fit, and I know when I walk away, you're not getting the whole dress, but here is, just when I come closer, I want you to see the print. I have the tags hidden underneath here. I'm surprised. It is a small, and it does fit okay. I do have some room in it though, but it's really cute. When I turn around, it has like a keyhole in the back. I'm wearing a strapless bra because when I put on, it is bra friendly for the most part, but when I put on my regular bra, my bra was still showing back here in that keyhole. The strapless isn't. So that is why I'm wearing the strapless. I'm not 100% sold though. This would be more of a cover up, I think. But the thing that's throwing me, and I want to show you, is the material. It like, so the print is on this side, but the print is not on this side. For $108, I'm a little thrown that the print is not on the other side. And also that it's not, I know Lilly Pulitzer, and they have more sport moisture wicking material. I don't think this is moisture wicking. I can tell by the material. It's not that, like their moisture wicking is called, not Fabletics, it's Luxletic, I believe. And I have some of, I have shorts, and I even have a skirt that's in that material. So I'm not so sure. And going to Disney Springs, down in Disney, there are multiple opportunities. Like I said, in Disney Springs for one, at the resorts for another, to get Lilly Pulitzer and also get a discount because I'm a pass holder, so I get a discount down there. And I even got, I'm gonna come into the screen so you can see me, I even got 50 off a $150 purchase from Lilly. That'll be good when I'm down there. So, kind of thinking I might let this go. It's really cute, but I don't think I need it. However, I have 2 more outfits, so I'll be back with those in a moment. Okay, I am back, and I have the next outfit on. And full disclosure, the top is mine, but there is a sports bra that I am wearing, and I will show it to you. I will lift the top out, but I wanted to show you how I would wear the sports bra. So here's the outfit. And on top, the sports bra is by Threads for Thought. It is the Core ReActive Strappy sports bra. And this sports bra is the cheapest item in the fix, coming in at $35. It is in the color blue, and it's a size small. And on the bottom, this is the skirt she was talking about. This is the VUORI Hollow Performance Skirt. It is a light, in the color light blue, size small, $68. This is actually a skirt. It's got shorts underneath, but it's really cute. Here's the back. It has like this pleating detail. And now for the sports bras. So it's in this, it's like a blue color. Let me see if I can, give me a second. I want you to see it. So it's just a regular sports bra in the front, but in the back, let me, so you can see it has like a crisscross detail in the back, if you can see it. So, but that's it. That's that outfit. Like, I just did a little front tuck, and I thought, like, you know, for Florida, the Sunshine State, palm trees, you know, this is Muscle Tank by Spiritual Gangster, but it was cute. I don't know. That's how I would wear it, though. So, anyways, I have one more outfit, so we'll be back with that. Hang on. Okay, one last outfit as promised. So, I have full outfit, tank and shorts. So, the tank is by Market and Spruce. This is the Tatum, let me get to here because it's cut off here, Tatum high neck rib trim tank. And this tank is in the color white. It's size extra small, and it is $38. So it's just white and navy stripe. So here's the front, and I have it front tucked because the front and the back are the same length, and if I untuck this, the way the shorts have this like lip here, it's got a weird puckering, but it notches, it has that notch to the side, and then here's the length in the back. So it's cute. The shorts. These shorts are by Dear John. They are the Finnegan roll cuff short in white, size 0, $58. These are really cute, and I had shorts by Dear John in white years back. I purged them because they actually were too big. So, I mean, these aren't terrible. Put this here a second. Working pockets in the front. They have a cuff, but it's sewn, so you can't uncuff them. There are there pockets in the back? No, there are not. They're made to look like they're pockets, but they have buttons. They're really cute. I don't know, no complaints. Although the material of this top is not moisture wicking, so as much as it is bra friendly, I don't know how this would play out in Florida heat, but it's cute nonetheless. And I do like the white shorts, but we shall see. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna pan up. We're gonna do a quick recap with some numbers and be right back. Okay, as promised, here is the quick recap. And just so you know, it is threatening to rain, so I'm gonna try to get this done quickly. The stylist pick subtotal is $307. The buy all discount, 25%. So if you were to buy all 5 items in the fix, that is Stitch Fix's policy, buy all 5, get 25% off. That discount is $76.75. The new order subtotal is $230 and $25. Not terrible for a dress, a skirt, shorts, like 3 outfits pretty much. Not terrible. However, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to keep out of this, only because I just did a massive Nordstrom haul that you saw and spent a lot there. So to be quite honest, I'm honestly debating on, I don't have any discounts, and if I'm not buying all, it really does not behoove me to keep anything here. So spoiler alert, I think I'm gonna send everything back, but if you think I'm missing the mark on something, let me know. Anyways, I just now want to thank all of my returning subscribers for all of your friendship and support, and those of you who do not subscribe, hit the subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say bye for now and have a magical day.